aloha and welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to That Juan Show. Hey, it is Saturday morning, and a beautiful Saturday morning at that. We got some blue skies in the area, a little bit of clouds. The rain report says that we may have a little bit of rain showers today, but hopefully it doesn't accumulate to not much, because I'm actually on my way to go pour a slab for a tiny house that I set up the other weekend. I think last weekend is when I set it up. But another person that actually found me on YouTube and reached out, and I went and did a bid on his little tiny house. And like I said, I went there last week, set it up, and we're going there this week to pour it. But I got me and a couple of my buddies gonna go there and pour it. Like I said, it should be pretty easy peasy. It's only 20 by 30. A little bit of smooth trowel, a little bit of broom. We're gonna be tailgating it, and yeah, that's what's up. So anyways, once again, come along with me on some more concrete adventures. All right, here we go. 30 by 20 tiny house slab with some brackets, wire mesh, a couple perimeter bars, 1.5 inch drop, and then here's the main part of the slab. Well, we got Yamada trucking today, and he's gonna be backing up this driveway, but we got a rookie driver, and that's kind of making things a little difficult. He's pretty swervy, but he's getting them little by little. Like I said, it's kind of a narrow driveway, but he'll get it. Take your side down first and let me have some. Take a mine. Fuck yeah, dude. Yep. Oh! One more. Yeah. Trying to get resituated to get this back poured. Is that what we're gonna go with? Or are you gonna back them up more? Yeah, get him right back up in there. Big truck, tight spots. Okay. Nice. Knew it. All right, looks like that second truck's coming just in time. Sun popped for a minute, got the concrete going. Ooh, already starting to strip some of these stakes in the drop, re-slicking it, but here it comes, hot and heavy up the hill. All right. Got Kubo in the truck coming up in there. All right. Got my concrete, bud? right, time to pop that drop. All right. You gonna miss? 1, 2, 3, go. Nice. One foot up. Okay. Yeah, boy. Purrs like a kitten. All right. Oh yeah, perfect timing. Boom, look at that mirror shine. All right. Got the top all finished. The knives all finished. Got the boards all off. Oh. That's it. That's it for Saturday. Not too bad. Well, everybody, that is about the end of this video. It was a good day, let me tell you what. You know, the sun came out and the concrete popped off and we got out of there a pretty decent time. It's a little after 5 o'clock now, and the only thing that was kind of a bummer was the concrete was about 2 hours late, which is kind of no bueno. That kind of sucks. But anyways, like I said, maybe it was for the better because it was actually kind of raining all morning, and pretty much it quit raining when the truck finally showed up. So maybe it was a blessing that it was 2 hours late. But anyways, that was neither here nor there. But like I said, today was a great day. I worked for another customer who actually found me on, he actually found me off of YouTube. So this will be the third customer that I've worked for that's found me off of YouTube. So YouTube's kind of cool, it's paying off, and I'm getting to meet people here on the island doing concrete work and stuff like that, which that's what I do. So if you're out here on the Big Island and you need some concrete work done, give old Juan a call, you know what I mean? But anyways, we poured the slab, the lanai turned out really nice, put a polish on the house slab, and like I said, everything just turned out really good. Good teamwork. Me and the boys nailed her again today. So anyways, once again, I really hope you guys like my concrete videos. And if you do, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.